The 2015-2017 Ford F-150 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is the standard 3-volt lithium coin battery that powers your key fob. Symptoms of a low battery include intermittent locking or unlocking, or reduced range for remote functions. To prepare, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a soft cloth to protect the fob. The process takes about 5 to 10 minutes and is a straightforward DIY task. Consider wearing gloves to prevent static discharge. First, carefully pry open the key fob case using the flathead screwdriver or pry tool, inserting it into the seam. Gently twist until the case separates. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Align the two halves of the fob case and snap them firmly back together. Test the fob to ensure it's working correctly by locking and unlocking your F-150. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean.